Hey everyone, one of the few monitors that successfully combines stunning images, state-of-the-art technology, and elegant style is the MSI MPG 321URXW QD-OLED White. This is a professional-grade screen that excels in every aspect, from build quality and ergonomics to speed and color accuracy. It is not just a gaming monitor. Whether they are content producers, competitive gamers, or just individuals seeking the most immersive visual experience imaginable, MSI has created this model for users who expect greatness. The MSI MPG 321URXW QD-OLED's sleek and sophisticated white exterior makes an impression right away. The incredibly narrow bezels surrounding the 31.5-inch panel emphasize the screen rather than the frame and provide a powerful sense of immersion. Even when the monitor is angled to extremes, the sturdy aluminum pedestal provides exceptional stability. Additionally, the back has strategically positioned ventilation slits that aid in the efficient heat dissipation of the QD-OLED screen. Given that OLED panels are sensitive to high temperatures and that effective heat management prolongs their lifespan, this is an important element. Those who prefer wall mounting or bespoke monitor arms have even more options thanks to the VESA 100x100 mount compatibility. Connectivity is all-encompassing and resilient to change. In order to connect contemporary laptops or small PCs without the need for additional power connections, the monitor has two HDMI 2.1 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4 input, and a USB-C port that supports DisplayPort Alt mode in power delivery up to 90 watt, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB-B data upstream port, and 3 USB 2.0 downstream connectors are also included. Naturally, the MSI MPG 321URXW's display is what really makes it special. A 31.5-inch 4K QD-OLED panel, which combines OLED technology with Quantum Dot advancements, is used in the monitor. The end effect is an image that blends the extreme brightness and vibrant color reproduction of quantum dots with the deep, inky blacks of OLED. Black is really black, whites are pure, and every shade in between is vivid and alive, thanks to the striking contrast ratio of 1.5 million to 1. Razor-sharp clarity is guaranteed by the 4K resolution, which makes even the smallest on-screen components look clear and detailed. HDR, flicker-free technology, and adaptive sync with NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync compatibility are all supported by the panel. This translates to fluid, tear-free action when playing games or watching videos. The display provides flawless motion clarity with a refresh rate of 240 Hz and an incredibly quick reaction time of only 0.03 milliseconds. The MSI MPG 321URXW is just as competent for professional applications as it is for gaming. It is perfect for video editors, 3D artists, and designers who depend on accurate color and fluid motion handling because of its remarkable color depth and rapid refresh rate. Because of the rich dynamic range and deep blacks, movies also appear realistic in cinematic. Ultimately, MSI 321URXW QD-OLED White offers a full visual experience rather than just another expensive monitor. It offers the finest features available in contemporary display technology, including perfect smoothness, contrast, and a design that strikes a balance between style and functionality. This type of monitor enhances daily work and artistic endeavors in addition to gaming sessions. This display is prepared to dazzle at every level, whether you're editing cinematic film or striving for the most frame-perfect games. Unquestionably a statement piece, MSI MPG 321URXW QD-OLED redefines what a high-end 4K monitor can be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.